welcome back to my channel. I am Lexus Michelle, and in today's video we are doing a nail video, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, so that's why I had to come back and bring out the heat. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be doing these little foil nails. I think that's what it's called. I'm going to show you guys at the end. Y'all going to basically see what it is, but it's basically foil nails, and I'm going in with the color blue from the Glitz and Glam collection, y'all, because I really like their acrylic powders. I think I said that before in my previous video, but yeah, so we're gonna be using the blue today. And then for the stiletto nail that I tried to do, I'm going to be doing clear, and then we're going to do foils all around that finger. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys subscribe if you guys are new to my channel, and let's go ahead and let's just get into it. I decided to go in with my Vuitton brand foils. Y'all, I really like these foils. They really are easy to work with. So I end up going with the color gold because I feel like gold will match more better with the blue instead of the rose gold. So I'm like, you know what? We gonna do gold. So one thing I can say that the foils really took time to break down, so I had to use my tweezers to be able to break it down some more. But it most definitely came out how I turned it to come out. Like, it wasn't too big and it wasn't too small at all. finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. Comment down below what you guys think of this set, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.